Hello guys, me again. I'm in my room and I have 6 games to tell you. Why did I talk so weird? By the way, it's me again. Hi, what's poppin'? It's me, Hiley. Why did I do the infinite what's poppin'? I just want to do that because Infinite is my big fan. Infinite, if you're watching this, please subscribe and click this notification and like the bell and comment. And you comment I subscribed and click the notification bell and like your video. You gotta comment that. Let me just get a pickle. By the way, there's 6 games I'm gonna tell you. First one was Steak War Legacy. How to play it? You gotta have like 10 levels. Alright, no. Wait, how many units are there? The first one is the Miner and Sword Raft. To get it, you need some gold to get some miners, and you can buy sword raft as well if you have one. Sorry. And there's a new update. There's now weekly missions. In the first stage, by the way, you can control the units by tapping on the units. Any units you want to control. But my favorite unit to control was the giant and sword raft. Just like this. There's also a joystick and the attack and the little thingy bajigi button. Wow, I can snap. Listen. My 2 fingers like this were under the mic because I'm not that loud. Okay. There got the shadows. Why is it sideways all the time? By the way, the second game is... Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the full thing. So there's like... First one is a miner, first one's a sword, the second one's a sword raft, third one is a archer, the fourth one was a spearton, fifth one was a magic kill, and Griffin the Great, the Merrick, the healing unit, powerful healing unit, and golden spear 10. You can spawn that, but it doesn't have it in spawning thingy. But it's raining. Hold on, let me show you. Oh, it stopped raining already. Now it's definitely raining. I'm gonna go outside. It's so fun. Hey, it's my cute doggy. Hello, bud. Hello. He's cute. He's laying down. No. Oh, look, it's raining. No, it's not done. By the way, look, it's raining. Now I'm gonna end it here. The 5 more games I'm gonna tell you at the next video. See you in the next video. Bye. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.